Hello, here's a second look at this CCM Rambler, a bicycle from 1964. I made a video of it when I had first bought it, and it was really rough, and you can see it's still a little rough, but I've been at it, so it's a good looking old 3-speed, and I like the metal head badge that they used at the time. CCM. See, there's just a transfer there. CCM. And so what did I do? Well, I got the white walls cleaned up with some vinegar and baking soda and then some magic eraser. They came up well. I was actually determined not to spend any money on the bike. Got the kickstand off, and yeah, maybe some of you out there actually have used metal polish on a kickstand. Well, yours truly did. Cleaned in behind the chain guard and in behind the fenders. Got the brake pads off and polished the chrome on them. They're John Bull. And the chain was off, and I got all the crustiness off it and soaked it in degreaser for a little while and then re-lubed it. So it doesn't look great, but it's nice and smooth and quiet. Pedals could use a little bit of work. I've just stuck some oil into them and they're spinning freely. They're German, so maybe Union pedals. What else did I do to the bike? The saddle was in extremely rough shape, so it was actually flapping, so I've done some MacGyver with zip ties, but while it was apart I spray painted the springs and stuff, so some may disapprove of that method. Got right inside here, popped all of the bits and pieces off without going right into the inners of the hub. Just took off the cog and various washers and spacers, and it's spick and span in there. It has a Fairy Lights England reflector. A lot of the old CCMs did before they moved to cat eye. I think that's everything I've done to the bike. Whoops. Just still does need some tweaking. The rims have some dings in them still. I've trued them up a little bit. They do need some more work. So that's it. It's a 1964 CCM Rambler. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.